Friends, good morning. Today, I explained about characteristics of grinding wheel and making system. Okay, yeah. Objectives: grit, grade, and structure. Marking system of grinding wheels: grid, grade, and structure. Marking system of grinding wheel: how to identify, how to mark which grade, which structure are used in this chapter. Grid means refers to the size of abrasive grains influence the following factors: types of finishing desired, the material being machined, the amount of material to be recovered, the area of contact between wheel and workpiece. Means grid refers to the size of abrasive grains influence the following factors: types of finishing desired, how to finish, finally what is comes output, the material being machined, which type of material is machined. Okay, next grade size or grid: coarse grains, medium grains, fine grains, and very fine grains. See in this table: 8, medium 30, fine 70, very fine 230. So where increasing the number, the grain size is reduced. So very fine means whenever to remove the material on finishing, so very fine grain size is used. Okay, aluminum oxide abrasive grit. Grit means grade, nothing but this is the material. So abrasive grains for grinding wheels, the following factors are considered: type of finishing desired, fine skins are used for obtaining smooth and accurate finish, material being machined, coarse grains are generally uh, intended for soft materials, fine skins are used for harder material, coarse grains are generally used intended for soft material, fine skins are used for harder material. Abrasive grains for grinding wheels. Grinding wheels ki which type of abrasives are used, the amount of material to be removed, which coarse grains are used for where large amount of material to be removed, the area of contact between wheel and workpiece. For wider area of contact, a coarse grain wheel is generally used. Grades refers to the tendency with which the bond holds abrasives. It influences the following factors: hardness of work material, area of contact, condition of machine, wheel and workpiece. Grades for grinding wheels: soft grade, medium grade, hard grade. Here some codes are given: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, alphabets. A to H soft grade, medium grade I to P, hard grade Q to Z. So grades of grinding wheels: hardness of work material, grades of grinding wheel, hardness of work material. Hard grade is intended for soft material and soft grade for hard material. Area of contact: small contacting area for hard wheels and Large contact area for soft wheels here are used. So, yeah, hard grade is intended for soft material and soft grade for hard material. Okay. Grades of grinding wheels, condition of machining, rigid material machines required soft grade and grades for light duty machines, wheel and work speed, hard wheels for low speeds and soft wheels for high wheel speed. Structure indicate the abrasive grain spacing of the grinding wheel. A grinding wheel may have open structure or a dense. Dense means closed structure. Density means closed structure. The structure denoted by number as follows: dense 1 to 8, 1 2 3 4 numbers. Yes, open structure 9 to 15 in between. Structure influence the following factors: hardness of work material, finish required, type of grinding operation, right? Marking system for grinding wheel. This system consists of 7 symbols denoted as follows. Yes, here see 7 systems. Manufacturer's symbol for the type of abrasive W, type of abrasive C, silicon carbide C, grade size 54, medium grain size where 54. It's a very important diagram. Yes, grade M means medium, structure 3 dense structure, type of bond V, verified bond, manufacturer's record optional 17, it's optional 17 16 like this numbers. So summaries మనం ఏమేమి నేర్చుకున్నాం అది క్విజ్. Frequently asked questions. What are the various factors considered for selecting grinding wheel? Write short notes on any two of the following grid definitions: grid, grade,